Buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can perform a factory reset on the Xiaomi 14. And first thing we want to do is we want to take out the SIM card. So we'll take our SIM card ejector or a simple paper clip and then take out the SIM card and then put the tray back in the phone. Now we want to go ahead and go to our settings, and now you want to go to about phone, and then you want to go to factory reset. Erase the following items: contacts, photos, videos, apps, accounts, backup, SD card data and other items on this device. All items listed above will be erased permanently. Backup all important items to your computer or Xiaomi cloud before you continue. Note: before restoring items, check whether the folder MIUI backup or backup exists on your device. Erase all data, confirm your PIN, backup items first, and we don't have any data here that we want to back up. But if you do have like things you want to back up, do that. I'll say factory reset, clear all downloaded eSIM data now, sure, clear. Attention, factory reset will erase all data on your device, including photos, songs, notes, and other personal data. Make sure you back up all the important items to your computer. Say next. Make sure all important items are backed up. Yes, we know that. All data on this device will be erased during the reset. Okay, and now it is resetting. So now we are back at the start and we can now go ahead and set up this phone again. That's how you can perform a factory reset on the Xiaomi 14. Hope you liked it, hope it helped, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.